Now listen, students, your test is done. Afterwards, we will continue with the same topic that we were doing yesterday. I gave you a homework to design a poster on the topic save water. Okay, so let's make this poster. See, whenever you want to make any kind of poster, that poster should be drawn in a box. Okay, that poster should be drawn in a box. So what ideas occur in your mind for writing a poster on a topic save water? What kind of title or caption here or slogan you can? Save water, save life. Anything? Every drop counts. Okay. So every drop counts. Okay. Then you can draw drops like this. Okay. Any other slogan that comes in your mind? Water is precious. Anything? Save water. Save life. Save water, save life. Every drop counts. Save it for future. So who is going to issue this? So the person who are going to issue this, you have to write down. Issued by here you are supposed to write down who are going to issue this. So write down Government of India. Bache, it's enough. Listen to your teacher. This boy, come here, sit at first desk. So here I am giving you only some of the hints, but I know you are very much creative. Your drawing is very good. So you can draw here very nice pic. Okay. You can draw a pic of a tap. Okay. And you can draw one person who is turning off the tap. So such kind of pics you can take. Okay. So there should be one good caption. What is the problem? There should be one good caption. Okay. Any good slogan like save water, save life. And another slogan like save it for future. Okay. Every drop counts. Any kind of 2-3 slogans can be there. Okay, and it is very much compulsory to write down this issued by, that who is going to issue this poster. Okay, any another slogan that comes in your mind, or any another message that you want to convey for saving water? Here you can draw one pic. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap when not in use. Okay, so here in this way you can draw any of the pic. So I'm going to take round and see your poster, your creativity, because I know my students will be doing so well. They're very much creative. Their drawing is good. They have plenty of ideas in their mind. So whatever the ideas which are coming in your mind, jot down your ideas on a piece of paper. Okay, write down all the things using a good font, good writing scale, good writing style. Make drawing very nicely. Okay, I have done very simple, but you can do better than me. I know. Okay. So let me take a round. Let me see what you people are doing. And online students, you keep your videos on and keep focus of camera on your notebook so that I can see what you people are doing in your notebooks. What you people are drawing. Let me see offline students. By the Precious. What are the spellings of precious? Precious. Yes, you can use any kind of sketch pen, any colors. You can use colors also. Sketch pen, pen, pencil, both things, pen and pencil both, to make your poster attractive. You can use pencil colors also, crayons also. Yes, in your fair notebook. Now you do practice in your rough notebooks. Tomorrow you prepare it on your fair notebook. Okay. Search different kind of ideas. Accumulate different ideas. And jot down all these ideas in your poster. Yes. Every time poster is done in book, in box. And Manrajbir, Vaibhav, Shriya, Mitul, Namya. Show me your poster. Himalaya, show it on screen. What you have done. Show me your poster. These online students, what you are making. Yes, let me see. Let me see. Show it on the in front of camera. Yes. Himalayan. Yes, Vaibhav, well trying. Yes. Very good, Vaibhav. Complete it. Himalaya, what you have drawn? Show me. Yes, Himalaya. What have you drawn? Now you can draw it in the class, Himalaya. I'm telling you, I'm giving you time in class to draw and show me. Let me see what you people are doing. What is your creativity? Some students, why are you wasting your time? Tell me. Huh? Draw it fast. Hurry up. Mitul and Shriya, Namya, Manrajbir, why are you not keeping your cameras on? Your test is done. It means you are free. Your test was only for 20 minutes. And afterwards, you were supposed to do that posture. Practice in class. Yes, you can draw anything. You can prepare good borders also. In border, you can draw the drops of water like this. Show your creativity in this posture. Let me see some more students. Offline, what are they doing? See, I have taken round and I've seen some of the mistakes. Some are writing so many lines in posture. But it is wrong. You are supposed to write down short slogans in your posture. Not so many lines, no, so many sentences. Because at a glance, somebody is going to see your posture. Yes, Namya, well try. Well trying. Very good. So in your posture, you are supposed to write down 2-3 slogans, but these slogans should be short, should be eye-catching and appealing, so that at a glance your message should be clear. Yes, Vaibhav, very good. Well tried. You have drawn 2 hands like this and you are accumulating water. That's good. Vaibhav has tried very well. So, bache, you do more practice of this posture and tomorrow you will be doing it in your fair notebook. Okay.